Once upon a time, Earth was a paradise. Vast forests stretched as far as the eye could see, teeming with life and untamed wonders. The oceans were home to an incredible array of marine species, their vibrant colors and graceful movements captivating all who beheld them. The Earth's wildlife thrived, each species playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. From majestic mountains to breathtaking waterfalls, the Earth's landscapes were a testament to the awe-inspiring forces that shaped our planet. But then, something changed. Humans, in their quest for progress, began to exploit and destroy the very beauty they once cherished. Pollution poisoned the waters, tainted the air, and altered the very climate that sustained life on Earth.